Welcome back to another POV video. Today we have the pleasure of cleaning this absolutely lovely but also filthy Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato. This is owned by Mark McCann. It's probably one of the only Sterratos in the country that's actually used as it should be. It definitely takes its off-road capability to its very limits. But today we're doing our essential clean, so inside and outside clean of the car. This is the equivalent of a mini valet service on the app. The car isn't too dirty this time, so it didn't require a deep clean like we've done in the past, but this should bring the car back to the standard that it needs to be. So again, if any of you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and let's get straight into it.
B10 in it. Do the outside contact wash now, and yeah, smack insides out and then sorted.
By the way guys, if you'd like your car to be cleaned just as well as this car, visit cleanme.co.uk or download the CleanMe app today, and you can book a mobile car clean that will come to your location. You don't have to travel to a unit or travel to like a traditional car wash. We come to you, and we've got a nationwide marketplace of vetted professionals who are the best at their job. So you know that your car will always be taken care of. So again, if you'd like your car to be cleaned just like this, visit cleanme.co.uk or download the CleanMe app. Link is in the bio to do either of those options.
Smart though, man. I do social media. It's like my detailers are talking about you. Yeah. Oh yeah, like we're doing the contact. even on the inside. I think he stopped taking it out, so
And now the Huracan Sterrato is looking absolutely lovely after its stay on McCann's dirt track. And this is just how we do it. We like to bring cars back to the standards that they should be. But if any of you have enjoyed this peer review video, please don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more. Let us know what car you'd like to see us clean next in the comment section, and we'll see you on the next one.
That's